Springville Woodworks does a delivery, this is one of the ways they do it, with something that they invented called the mule. And it's amazing little powerful tool. They put wheels, they lift this side up, put wheels underneath it, and then go to the other side and use the mule to pick that up. And then they can safely move it without any damage to your property, your lawn, to the place where it's supposed to be installed. This beautiful shed with a front porch is being delivered to a spot right next to their swimming pool. And now this 12 by 24 beautiful pool house with shed and porch has been moved into place and will be dropped on its stone foundation.
You learned something new today.
Now they lift this up, take the wheels out, and it's dropped in perfect place. And there it is. Another perfect shed delivery from Springville Woodworks.